Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life. Hey everyone, welcome back to Museful Creations. Today's episode features a journal twist you didn't see coming, slot clippy bands, and clip band makes that are interactive, layered, and made with meaning. You'll see finished makes, live steps, and there's a freebie printable base on my Ko-Fi. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss future tutorials and free drops. Let's get to it. Let's start with clip band number 1. This one includes a journaling flap and a layered quote underneath the daisy topper, and that's a really cool little paper clip design that I made there. I designed this to hold space for reflection or encouragement, and the prompt I included reads, "Faith steadies me when I feel uncertain." Now it's your turn. The creative prompt freebie on my Ko-Fi asks, what are you holding on to, and what are you finally ready to let go? Be sure to download it and respond in your own journaling style. Now I added some additional embellishments to the pocket, and those are just little labels and an ISC stamp that I wanted to add just to give a little bit more of a touch to this journaling page. I also made a little side pocket so that I can pull that journaling spot out and write additional thoughts as well. Next up is SlotClippie number 3. This one's already finished, and it's a favorite with a bottom hinge, hidden back pocket, an accordion journaling strip. It's a powerful storytelling element you can clip right into your page. Now let's finish Clippie number 2 together. This one is made with a mini envelope die cut and a little surprise that will go inside each mini envelope, and I'll add the final touches and show you how it will clip onto a page with a paper clip. Let's finish clip band number 4. This daisy base version uses a couple of unique things. First off, you're going to need to cut a piece of paper 7 1/8 by 11.5 inches or 10.5 inches. And if you're going to cut it at 10.5 inches, you're going to have to add a 1-inch square so that you can make that band. Okay, then you're going to take your clip band and affix your eyelet or brad and your ribbon of choice, and then you're going to need your glue to make a pocket, and you're going to put glue on the side, on the bottom, and on the right side. Next, I took an ISC vintage pen nib and stamped it on the digital paper that will be part of the SlotClippie kit that will be on Ko-Fi. And I love to add embellishments and trinkets to my artwork. And here's just a little tip. After I embossed the pen nib on the digital paper, I then added an eyelet, and now I'm going to affix the pen nib, but I'm going to affix it a little differently onto the clip band. And the reason is because I want to add a third embellishment, and you'll see that in just a few seconds. And I took a digital butterfly, I embossed it, and then I used a little bit of cheesecloth that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I added that embossed butterfly. And here is the other element that I shared with you earlier. I took from a stamped piece of paper, it's an ISC image, I punched out that little circle, and then I added it to a little kind of I don't know the exact name of this. I'll have to look look that up and put it down below, but I got this a very long time ago on Amazon, and these little bedazzles, I think they're called, add such a lovely touch to your artwork. And now you'll grab a journaling spot, slip it into that pocket, and then insert the band slip it into your journaling page, and there you have it. I surely hope this will inspire you to try these finished makes that I've shared with you, to ClipBands, to SlotClippies, and remember to grab your creative prompt and take a peek at the available SlotClippie kit at Ko-Fi. Thank you so much, and until next time, take care.